Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use DeepL Write to rewrite text. So what is DeepL Write? It's that option, as you can see on the left hand menu. It's the third one, and the DeepL Write is a tool that helps you to rewrite sentences, improve clarity, adjust tone like formal and informal, and even fix grammar and style. So how to use it? You will need at first open DeepL Write in your browser, as you can see, and then just paste or type your text in the box. Okay, type or write your text. Okay, and the tool will automatically suggest the improvements, as you can see right here. Okay, and just click on the highlighted words on phrase. And there you go, and choose an alternative rewrite, as you can see, and the text updates then instantly. You can also rewrite the entire sentence. Okay, so just for example, just click on the sentence suggestion. Okay, so it's like alternative right here, and then pick from different reworded versions, so you can find more than one. All right, and combine the edits to fully rewrite your text. Right, so you can even adjust the tone and style right here, so you can use tone options if available. All right, so something like formal, informal, simple, clear writing, so you can also manually tweak suggestions. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.